Hello students, last day we had studied capital expenditure. Today we will discuss revenue expenditure. What is revenue expenditure? Those expenditure whose benefits are available for a period less than 1 year, or the benefits of those expenditure are exhausted within the current year. Those expenditures are called revenue expenditure. These kind of expenditure are of recurring nature and are needed for meeting the day-to-day operations of the business or expenses of the business, whereas they do not result in acquiring any permanent asset which may be used for a long period of time. So these expenses are called revenue expenditure. So some we can see some types through which it will be clear, like expenses incurred for the day-to-day running of the business, like rent, salaries, wages, power, fuel. All these expenses are needed to run daily business. So these expenses are considered revenue expenditure. Any expenditure which is incurred to upkeep fixed assets, maintenance, repair, means fixed assets should go on. These expenses are considered also revenue expenditure. Any expenses which is incurred on purchase of stocks of material and goods, raw materials, or any material which will be consumed in the production process, those expenses are also considered as revenue expenditure. Any loss which arises from sale of fixed assets are also considered as revenue expenditure. And replacement of worn out parts of existing machines whose benefits are not available for a very much long time, like some screws, some nut bolts may be needed in machinery after some period of time, lubricants, all these will be treated as revenue expenditure. And interest on loan or debentures or interest on capital paid is also treated as revenue expenditure. But sometimes revenue expenditures are treated as capital expenditure, and this is where some exceptions are there and you have to minutely follow that exception. Like raw materials and stores, when these raw materials are used for manufacturing a fixed assets, these expenses are treated as capital expenditure. Like if a company is purchasing raw materials for producing something, like jute is bought by jute companies to produce jute bags, then jute is raw material for them, then its nature is revenue, so it is a revenue expenditure. But when the same jute company wants to build a building in its uh, land on its land, and it purchases bricks, cement, or sand for making that house, then bricks, cement, sand, all are supposed to be raw material for building the facility. But here those raw materials will be treated as capital expenditure, as the building will lead to increase in fixed assets and that will be considered a fixed asset, so it is called capital expenditure in this case. Carriage and freight, when carriage or freight, that means transportation cost, is spent on carriage of those machines, plants, furniture, or any fixed assets whose benefit will be available for a long time. Like a company buys a machinery which will go on for 20 years, which will give service for 20 years. Then carriage incurred on the transportation of that machinery will be treated as capital expenditure, and that will be actually added up to the cost of the machine. Like installation of machinery in the company, in the factory, will be also considered as capital expenditure. Wages, wages for installation, as I already told, will be treated as capital expenditure if the benefit of those wages is available for a longer time. So basically the differentiating factor is only time. Benefits, what we are spending and how much time gives the benefit. Sometimes replace to machinery is also treated as capital expenditure when any company is buying second hand machinery and it is spending some amount in upkeep or in making it usable, and it is then installing this machinery which may be used for a long period of time, then that is also treated as capital expenditure. Preliminary expenses, as I told last day, that those expenses which are incurred before the formation of the company, then there is no company in whose account it may appear. So those preliminary expenses are written off from the books of accounts for a long period of time, because the services of that expenses will be usable or will be received till the company is there in the existence. So these expenses are treated as capital expenditure or deferred revenue expenditure. Brokerage paid on the purchase of fixed assets are also treated as capital expenditure. Sometimes legal expenses, stamp duty or other legal expenses in the acquisition of fixed assets, or the expenses incurred in issuing of shares are also treated as capital expenditure. Advertising expenses, when uh, incurred in a large amount, and benefits of those will be available for a long time. Suppose a new product is launched and advertisement campaign is launched for that product. Now that product will be in market for 5 years. So advertisement expenditure benefit will be available for the time till the product is in the market. So on the basis of the product life, we can treat it as a capital expenditure. Now let's see the last thing. What are the differences between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure? So based on the purpose, we can say that capital expenditure is incurred to acquisition of fixed assets or permanent assets, whereas revenue expenditure are incurred in conducting the day-to-day business. Earning capacity of capital expenditure is there because those assets which have been acquired will yield some return on it. So that is treated as capital expenditure, but revenue expenditures benefit are available for a very short period of time, like rent paid for a month will be only valid till the month is over. So its benefit will be available only for 1 month, so that will be treated as a revenue expenditure. Period of benefit, that is the most important factor. Capital expenditures benefit will be available for more than 1 year, and revenue expenditures only in the current account year. Accounting treatment is different for capital and revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is mentioned in trading or profit and loss account, and capital expenditures are shown in balance sheet. When you will learn this part, you will understand. And nature, capital expenditures nature is non-recurring. Suppose a building is made now, every year no expenditure will be done on that building. Land is required, there is no need to further spend any money on that land because it is already purchased. But revenue expenditures are recurring because its benefit is available for a lesser period of time. So again the payment has to be made if someone wants to take benefit for a more increased time. Again, capital expenditure increases the value of assets, but revenue expenditure do not increase the value of assets. So you must go through this part and learn it, read it again, and remember the difference between the capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Then you will be able to give examples and define also capital and revenue expenditure. Thanks.